सत्वेषु मैत्री गुणेषु प्रमोदम क्लिष्टेषु जीवेषु कृपा परत्वम मध्यस्थ भावम विपरीत वृत्तो सदा ममात्मा विदधातु देवा. A prayer for harmony, compassion and friendship towards all living beings. The philosophy of vegetarianism is based on the empathetic concept of compassion, the rational respect for the right to life of every living being, and desistance from inflicting violence on fellow creatures. It promotes the harmonious coexistence of humans and fellow creatures. The Indian Vegetarian Congress, a pioneer in the movement of vegetarianism in India, was established in 1959 by the eminent Mrs. Rukmini Devi Arundale. The Indian Vegetarian Congress is a secular, non-political and non-profit organization dedicated to spreading the message of vegetarianism across India. The movement received greater impetus from eminent stalwarts like Shri R. Venkatraman, former President of India and Patron-in-Chief, and patrons like Dr. N. Mahalingam, Shri Surendra Mehta and Shri Deepchand Bhai Gardi. Headquartered in Chennai, India and affiliated to the IVU UK, it has hosted 3 World Vegetarian Congresses in India. It conducts several programs and observes World Vegetarian Day every October. The primary objective of the Indian Vegetarian Congress is to promote vegetarianism by spreading awareness about its significance and benefits, especially among the younger generation, as the only natural route to a healthy life. The Indian Vegetarian Congress works with passion to promote the great benefits of turning vegetarian, like the fact that research has proven vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, proteins and fibrous content and are very healthy. Vegetarian children tend to be smarter with higher IQ. Vegetarianism raises energy levels. Vegetarians are healthier than non-vegetarians. Demand for meat products has aided and increased global warming. It projects eminent personalities from the past and present like Albert Einstein, Henry Ford, Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, Leonardo da Vinci, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Amitabh Bachchan and many more famous vegetarians as role models for vegetarianism. The Indian Vegetarian Congress launched its triennial Golden Jubilee celebrations as a mega event commencing from Chennai in the first week of January 2007, followed by Mumbai in August 2008 and to be concluded at Delhi in 2009. The first phase in Chennai was launched on 12th January 2007 with a glittering inauguration ceremony attended by well-known movie star Madhavan, His Excellency Shri Surjit Singh Barnala, Governor of Tamil Nadu, and Srimati Menka Gandhi, among many others. Torchbearer Awards, instituted to honor those who made valuable contributions to promote vegetarianism, were given to several valuable contributors. The Green India and Food for Hunger schemes were also launched on this occasion. A mega veg food expo was inaugurated by Dr. K.C. Chakrabarti, then CMD of Indian Bank, with around 100 stalls by the reputed manufacturers of veg products, sweets and savories by Haldiram's, Shri Krishna Sweets, Shri Mithai and many more. Simultaneously, a mega cookery contest was organized with 350 contestants submitting over 436 dishes. A seminar attended by eminent scholars and specialists was also held on 13th January 2007. Shri Gulab Kothari, MD of Rajasthan Patrika, presided over the function and gave away the prizes. On 14th January 2007, a colorful function was organized for the presentation of the Indian Vegetarian Congress Icons of Vegetarianism Awards, which was presented to the eminent recipients by Dr. M.S. Anand, Director, IIT Chennai, An essay competition was held for college students on 10 topics of vegetarianism. The function and celebration at Chennai then concluded with grand success. The second phase of the Golden Jubilee celebrations began on 23rd August 2008 at NCPA Auditorium, Mumbai with a glittering function to hand over the icon. And torch-bearer of Vegetarianism Awards to some very well-known figures and contributors. Srimati Rajshri Birla and Dr. Rangaswamy Velu, Honorable Union Minister of State for Railways, were the guests of honor. Param Pujya Swami Ramdev Ji Maharaj graciously blessed the occasion with his presence and honored the awardees. Swamiji spoke at length about the benefits of vegetarianism and its power in making people more humane and in tune with nature. He was listened to with rapt attention.
आज इंडियन वेजिटेरियन कांग्रेस का यह गौरवशाली दिन और जिन्होंने अपने जीवन में शाकाहार को अपनाया और जिंदगी के हर क्षेत्र में बहुत बड़े ऊंचाइयां तय की, शाकाहार से अपने व्यवहार को बदला, अपने अंतर्मन को बदला, अपने जीवन को रूपांतरित किया, उनको सम्मानित किया। सभी मंच पर आसीन वो महानुभाव जिन्होंने इस भारतीय संस्कृति की अविरल धारा को अपने आचरण में अपनाया, क्योंकि हम राम और कृष्ण के वंशज हैं, हम बुद्ध और महावीर की परंपराओं के संवाहक हैं, गुरु नानक देव और गुरु गोविंद सिंह के विश्वासों पर जीने वाले लोग हैं। और इसलिए भाई डॉक्टर सतपाल जी कह रहे थे कि यदि हम अपनी संस्कृति पर विश्वास रखते हैं, हमें मानते हैं कि हम राम और कृष्ण का खून है, तो अपनी संस्कृति का, अपनी मर्यादाओं का, अपनी परंपराओं का, अपने धर्म का, अपने अध्यात्म का और यदि अपने पूर्वजों का सम्मान करना चाहते हैं तो कम से कम हमें शाकाहारी होना चाहिए।
A mega veg cookery contest was held subsequently, which evinced great interest and great participation. The judges, like Srimati Tarla Dalal, Shri Sanjeev Kapoor and Srimati Rashmi Uday Singh, had a great time deciding the winners. The prize awarding ceremony was also conducted with great enthusiasm, and the celebration closed in Mumbai at a glittering function. We extend our sincere thanks to Vijay Shanti, Indian Bank, Deccan Plaza, Bhandari Rolls and Tubes Limited, Shri Jewelry, NEPC, Mr. R. Tyagarajan, Chairman, Shri Ram Guru, Shri K.K. Birla, Managing Trustee, Hindustan Welfare Trust, Olympia for the first phase at Chennai, and Messrs. MSPL Limited, Akruti City, Cello, and Keval Kiran Clothing Limited for the second phase at Mumbai for their wholehearted support in making this event a grand success. We now look forward with great anticipation to the last phase of the Golden Jubilee celebrations to be held at Delhi in 2009. The Indian Vegetarian Congress is hugely gratified by the great success of our Golden Jubilee celebrations at Chennai and Mumbai and considers it a provider of momentum to our vegetarianism movement, which has pioneered efforts like getting the Indian government to certify pure vegetarian products with green dots. Our best wishes and salutations to our well-wishers worldwide and to the vegetarianism movement. Our website www.vegcongress.org